Do you know your rights and obligations as a tenant or landlord in Malaysia? Do you know what to look for in a tenancy and lease agreement? Renting a property or commercial space involves a legal relationship between the landlord and tenant. Both parties have certain rights and responsibilities that are governed by the law and the tenancy and lease agreement. From disputes to legal issues, navigating the world of tenancy can be challenging. Problems you may face: disputes over rent payments, deposits, and damages. Breaches of tenancy agreements. Failure to adhere to legal regulations and requirements. Lack of knowledge about tenancy laws and regulations. Steer clear of these at all costs. Rushing into lease agreements without thorough understanding. Even experienced landlords and tenants may fall into the trap of rushing into lease agreements without reviewing them carefully. Always take the time to review the lease agreement meticulously and understand all the terms and conditions. Neglecting a comprehensive property inspection. As a landlord, it's essential to conduct a thorough inspection of the property before leasing it out. Tenants should also perform a similar inspection before moving in. This will help identify any existing damages, document them, and avoid disputes later. Overlooking the importance of a written agreement. Experienced landlords and tenants may feel tempted to rely on verbal agreements. However, a written lease agreement that clearly outlines the terms, conditions, and obligations of both parties is crucial for legal protection and reference. If you want to learn more about landlord and tenant law in Malaysia, you can enroll in our course. This course will teach you everything you need to know about renting or leasing a property, from drafting a tenancy agreement to handling disputes. Here are some of the key deliverables of the course. Go through the rights and liabilities of landlord and tenant, manage landlord and tenant disputes, termination and remedies in Malaysia. Recognize your rights in lawful eviction and termination of agreement. Be familiar with risk assessment in tenancy agreements. Grasp joint and several liability in tenancies, and address pressing issues encountered in tenancy agreements and leases and how to resolve them. Don't miss this opportunity to gain valuable knowledge and skills in landlord and tenant law. Contact us to know more details.